a story. There was a mother hen and a father hen lived in the thick of a jungle. Once, mother hen laid 9 eggs in her nest. Dum 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 dum. She sat on the eggs for them to crack, while the father hen collected the food for the mother hen. And one fine day, mother hen told the father hen to take care of the eggs and went to the nearby pond to drink some water. Just then, a strong gust of wind blew. The nest was broken. 8 of the 9 eggs rolled down and cracked. Only 1 egg remained. The father hen became sad. What do I do when the mother hen returns? What will I say? He thought. Suddenly, an idea struck him. He went to the jungle. He collected 8 eggs, where 8 eggs were of different in colors and shapes, and he quietly placed them in the nest. Days passes by. Then the babies began to emerge from the eggs. Each one was of different size and different appearance. Their voice also sounded different. One was having quack quack, quack quack. There was a 2 quack 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 egg. Then one was saying quack quack quack, and one was true true. Another one was having gutter gone, and was crick crick. Another one was ew ew. Another one was whoo whoo. And finally chee chee. Now, one day, this mother and father decided to teach the family how to feed one day. As they went near the pond, quack quack sound was heard, where after 2 of the 9 babies jumped into the pond. They were the duck's baby. Seeing this, some crows began to caw. Another black baby with a long pointed beak flew away. So it was a crow's baby. Just then, a pack of parrots flew over them in search of food. One more baby, a green in color with a red beak, flew to join the pack. It was a parrot's baby. And in front of them was a big tree with the flocks of pigeons sitting idly. Another baby let out a gutter-gone sound and headed in that direction. It was a pigeon's baby. As the mother and father hen moved further, some kingfishers could be seen swimming on the other end of a pond. Flip, flip. The blue bird with the long beak flipped and ducked into the pond just like the other's baby or other's bird. And it was a kingfisher's baby. Then the cloud overshadowed everything. Yet another baby spread its wing gleefully and started dancing. Ta-tim-tim, ta-tim-tim. It was a peacock's baby. It became a dark now. The mother and father were left with only 2 babies. They heard a weird sound. Hoo, hoo. The 8th baby with a big round eyes also flew into the darkness. It was an owl's baby. Now only 1 child remained. It was only 1 chick. The parents sighed with relief. Crook, 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 crook. They also answered, where chick is also answering the same thing. Crook, 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 crook. And they felt relief. It was their baby. Yes, this is about the story 9 little chicks or 9 little birds, right? Yeah. And this is about the lesson people around us.